And type of government, Malaysia po tayo, no? Type of government po nila is constitutional monarchy. Yan, no? Constitutional monarchy, no? Capital, so, and yung capital naman niya ay Kuala Lumpur, no? Kuala Lumpur po yung sa capital ng monarchy. And yung organizational name niya is Royal Malaysian Police or RMP Police, no? RMP Police, Police Daraha Malaysia. Correct me if I'm wrong. Daraja or Daraha Malaysia. Headquarters is located at Bukit Anam, Kuala Lumpur, no? Bukit Anam, Kuala Lumpur po yung ano nila, main headquarters. The Constitution, Control, Employment, Recruitment, Fund, Discipline, Duties, and Power of the Police Force. Agency. Yung agency po nito ay Ministry of Home Affairs, no? Doon po siya, ano, if may gusto kang sabihin, so punta ka lang sa agency, and yung agency po nila is Ministry Home of Affairs. And also yung ranks po nila, rank of RMP, Inspector General Police, no? Ang tawag po sa kanila. Equivalent naman po ng Inspector General Police, equivalent of Director of General Police in the Philippines. Yun po yun, Inspector po yung tawag nila sa mga rank po nila. So, ang equivalent po ng kasing taas po ng rank nila sa atin ngayon is Director General. Tapos yung Police Constable po nila is equivalent Police Officer 1, like SPO 1, ganun. Police Patrolman, Police. Yan, no? And yung age of ano po nila, recruitment is age of entrance age po nila is mabalo lang po siya ng 18 years old. Kung ikaw po bata pa sa lugar nila, na kasi may mga matured naman na tayo na mag-iisip nowadays, and lalo na ngayon, gera-gera, marami mga batang gustong sumali, no? So yan, pwede na po silang pumasok sa kanilang mga 18 to 28 years old. And retirement age naman po tayo is, yung retirement age po naman tayo is natural lang na 60 years old, kasi yun po ay senior citizen age na, totally senior citizen age of 60. So yun po yung retirement nila, 60 years old. And paano ka pa makakapasok? Syempre, hindi naman pwedeng, sir, gusto ko pumasok sa ano, o sige, apply ka, ganun. Hindi po pwedeng ganun. Syempre tayo po, may standard din po tayo, no? Standard na tinatawag, which is kailangan mo po maging at least may ano ka lang, high school graduate. Yun, high school graduate lang po. Have a high school graduate diploma and training 6 months of physical fitness. Yan. And mission po, leading enforcement agency of integrity, completement, and committed to work within community. So kailangan, kung gusto mo talagang pumasok doon, yun po yung kumain sa mission nila is, yun nga, yun sa nabasa ko is, kung gusto mo talagang pumasok sa ano nila, agency nila is, kailangan committed ka at work sa community. And yun, kailangan tanggap mo sa puso mo, tulong hanggang mamatay ka, diba? Yun yung mission po nila. Siyempre may motto po sila, Tegas Adil Dan Peherma Firm, Pure and Prudent. Yun po yung motto nila, no? And yan. Dito naman natin didiscuss yung Royal Malaysian Police Organization. And yung una is yung Management Department. The Management Department is tasked with the routine management and administration affair of the Malaysian. This department is also the nerve center of the RMP and act as the support service platform from the rest of the force.
Yun nga, ito naman yung responsible naman to sa management for recruitment personnel, human resources, and sila rin yung responsible for training, discipline, and welfare sa mga RMP personnel. Then yung pangalawa naman, yung logical department, has the rule providing several equipment needed in RMP or yung Royal Malaysian Police. Ito naman yung logical department naman, sila naman yung responsible for providing necessary equipment like technology and logical support for the rest operation ng mga Royal Malaysian Police. Madalas itong pinagsama sa Department of Support upang suportahan ang buong person ng Royal Malaysian Police. And then yung pangatlo naman is yung Criminal Investigation Division. Deal when the investigation, arrest, and prosecution of hard crime like murder, robbery, rape, etc. and petty crime like theft, housebreaking, etc. This department also specialize in gambling, vice, and secret societies. And sila naman yung nag-handle for responsible for investigation sa mga serious crime and general crime. Same sila ng responsible ng PNP, Criminal Investigation and Detection Group o yung CIDG dito sa Pilipinas kasi nagkakandak din sila ng mga handling major crime and serious crime. Yan yung pang-apat naman is yung Narcotic Criminal Investigation Division. This department function is to fight against dangerous drug by enforcing the law to stop and reduce the demand and supply of dangerous drug. Sila naman yung nag-handle for responsible investigator for drug trafficking and addiction, including and identifying syndicate and conduct raid sa mga drug labs. Katulad lang din ito ng PDEA dito sa Pilipinas or yung yun nga, PDEA, Philippine Drugs Enforcement Agency. And yung panglima naman is yung Internal Security and Public Order Department, responsible for trafficking control and search and rescue, SIR or operation. Sila naman yung one of the unit under the Malaysian Ministry of House Affairs. Sila yung responsible for maintaining law or maintaining order and public safety and national security. Yung palawang responsible naman ng International Security and Public Order Department is yung sila yung nagmamanage din ng search and rescue kasi sila rin yung nagmamanage ng unit like Marine Operation and General Operation Force.
And number 6, Police Field Force, or for short is PFF, organized in battalions and was a paramilitary units of the Royal Malaysian Police, also known as the Jungle Squad, and established in 1948. And number 7 is Police Counter. Police Counter is a terrorism unit, an elite unit of RMP. RMP responsible in a counter-terrorism operation. So it means ito po yung mga nagka-counter ng terrorism. Like for example, may susugod na mga terorista gusto manakop, ganun. Sila po yung unang papasok, no? That's we called police counter po. And number 8 and Angerin. So Angerin unit game for Marine. Angerin Marine Combat Unit, no? Marine Combat Unit po yung Angerin. Was established in 2006 and it was fully operational by the end of 2007. Member receive receive training from US, no?
Federal Reserve Unit. Mali pasukan simpanan persekutan. Its role is right suppression, road control and disaster relief and rescue, as well as Special Operation Assistant, organized in 1955. The Federal Reserve Unit, or better known by the abbreviation as FRU, is a right control force and a paramilitary special response team that can be deployed at any time to engage in any emergency or public unrest in Malaysia. Then is CPOR implementation system, abbreviation for Command Control and Communication Computer Integrated Base at Police Control Center. In all police contingent in Malaysia, this unit is assigned to patrol the city at the suburbs. Based on the search results report in the Malaysian context, the generally refers to two district areas: the Center to Combat Corruption and Crimes, CPOR Center, a prominent civil and society organization, and Command, Control, and Communication and Coordination. 11 is the Marine Operation Force, or Mali Pasukan Jarakan Marine, takes with maintaining law and order and coordination, search and rescue operation in the Malaysian Marine Zone. The Marine Police Force Royal Malaysia. Police is the Marine Force division of the Royal Malaysia Police tasked with maintaining law and order and execute national security operation in the Malaysia. 12 is Royal Malaysian Police Air Wing Unit, or Unit Udara PDRM, is a special unit of Royal Malaysia Police with a vital role in maintaining national security with rural surveillance and patrol from the air. Is a special air branch of the Royal Malaysia Police PDRM, responsible for surveillance, air patrol, and supporting ground operation. The 13 is special branch. This department is responsibility for collecting intelligence for national security. The Malaysian Special Branch is the primary intelligence unit of the Royal Malaysia Police, na established in 1948 to combat the communist insurgents. Nag-focus on collecting internal and external intelligence to counter threat and terrorism. 15 is Commercial Crimes Investigation Department. This department main function is to investigate, arrest, and prosecute offenders committing white-collar crimes such as fraud, breach and trust, cybercrimes, and forgery, counterfeiting, etc. Special police of government units focus on combating non-violent and financially motivated offenses like corporate fraud and money laundering and embezzlement. 16 is Mountain Police. Police who control on horseback or camelback. They continue to serve in remote areas and in metropolitan areas where their day-to-day function pictures go or ceremonial, but they also employed in crowd control because of their mobile mass and height advantage. Mounted unit are police or officer who patrol on horseback. Their day-to-day function is typically ceremonial, but they are also employed in crowd control because of their mobile mass and height advantage. Mounted police may be employed for specialized duties ranging from patrol of parks and wilderness areas. And
Singapore. Francis James Bernard formed the Skeleton Force as the heritage of Singapore Police Force in 1819. Singapore Police Force (SPF) is the mainly agency tasked with the maintaining law and order in the city-state. It is formerly known as Republic of Singapore Police, organized with split staff 15 and line function 13, roughly modeled after the military. Name of government: Republic. Capital: Singapore. Organizational name: Singapore Police Force. Agency: Ministry of Internal Affairs. Structure: centralized. Founded 1946 but originally 1819 by Francisco James Bernard. Entrance age 18 to 30 years old. Retirement age 50 years old. Minimum rank police constable. Highest rank commissioner of police. Minimum qualification pass at least 5 secondary school exam for senior rank college degree. This is my explanation. The Singapore Police Force. The Singapore Police Force traces its origin to 1819 when Francis James Bernard formed the early security structure. It was formally organized in 1946 and developed into a modern police force modeled partly after military system. Singapore is the republic with a centralized government system. The Singapore Police Force operate under the Ministry of Internal Affairs and follow a centralized command structure for efficiency and coordination. The SPF has a structured ranking system. The entry-level rank is police constable, while the highest position is commissioner of police. The organizational is divided into staff and operational line function for better management. Applicant must be between 18 and 30 years old. The retirement age is 50. Candidates must pass at least 5 secondary school examination, while higher rank require a college degree. Basic training lasts approximately 6 months. The main mission of the Singapore Police Force is to protect the people of Singapore from crime and all forms of criminal harm. The SPF ensures peace, order, and public safety throughout the country. In the conclusion, the Singapore Police Force is known for efficiency, discipline, and strong centralized system. It plays a key role in maintaining Singapore's reputation as one of the safety countries in the world.